how to create your own cash cow YouTube animation channel. In today's world, there are a lot of ways to make money. You can start your own business, work for someone else, or invest in the stock market. But one of the most lucrative opportunities out there is to create a successful YouTube cash cow channel. What is a YouTube cash cow channel? A cash cow YouTube channel is where you earn money by creating and publishing videos while keeping your identity hidden. You, as the owner of the channel, monetize the channel through YouTube ads. Cash cow YouTube channels are not something new. People have been doing this for a while now. However, it is an underutilized concept. Cash cow YouTube channels are typically outsourced by their creators. The people behind these types of channels simply find topics and post the completed videos. They hire article writers to create scripts, video editors for editing purposes, and voiceover artists to record audio clips. These channels are basically created for the sole purpose of making money and running in a very innovative way, which makes them the ideal business model for anyone looking for a very flexible passive income on the internet. Pros and cons of YouTube Cash Cow channel. So, why should you start a Cash Cow YouTube channel? Well, there are some pros and cons to a Cash Cow YouTube channel, but the pros outweigh the cons. If you're shy or hesitant to expose your face to the internet, this is the right choice for you. Well, with Cash Cow channel, no need to keep your face out there. You can be making thousands of dollars per month and still not have to put your face out there. For a shy person, making money with Cash Cow channels is really a big relief. And I know there are many out there who want to start a YouTube channel, but don't want to expose their face on the internet. There are tons of YouTube channel ideas without showing your face out there, so you'll never run out of ideas or niches to take on. And the fact you don't show your face means you can automate the business. A YouTube Cash Cow channel mostly runs on autopilot, only needing your occasional involvement to upload videos. Since these videos are faceless, all that is necessary is a good script, well-articulated voiceovers, good video editing skills, catchy thumbnail design, and current SEO knowledge to help ensure your video success. You can outsource all these activities and simply check in on the progress periodically. This type of business provides a real sense of automation and passive income, which is what we should be striving for in 2022. Also, let's not forget that without automation, it would be impossible for people like Chase Namek to run 20 successful YouTube channels. A single channel is a lot of work as it is. When you understand how YouTube channels and videos that make money operate, the only thing left to do is produce more content. For example, if you have 50 videos on your channel making $3,000 each month, in order to make $6,000 per month from that same channel, you simply create 50 additional videos. That's the great thing about this type of business model on YouTube. It has scalability. Next up, once things are running smoothly with your first profitable YouTube channel, you can start thinking about creating a second or third one. That's how you'll build an empire of passively income generating videos online. The great opportunity for making a profit from YouTube Cash Cow channels is that so much internet traffic revolves around video. In 2020, 80% of all web traffic came from videos, and this pattern continues to show how big the market is for this type of content. Because there is so much high demand, any income made from these types of channels will be sustainable long term. All those being said, there are some disadvantages to this type of channel. While not showing your face provides advantages, it also has disadvantages. Because you don't show your face in videos, you'll get less trust from your audience. This means you'll convert fewer sales when promoting something, and you might get less sponsorship income compared to other channels in your niche. It's like watching an ad or having someone you know telling you about a product. Think back to your own experience. When you watch an ad, most of the time you would ignore it since you know it's an ad. But when someone you know told you about this amazing product, you probably went and searched for the product yourself. It's the same with these Cash Cow automated channels. Since they lack a personal touch, your audience will have less trust in you. Of course, you can somewhat mitigate this problem with quantity, but it's still a problem for these type of channels. Cash Cow niches. What most gurus will not tell you in your search for YouTube channel ideas without showing your face is to focus more on evergreen content. These are pieces of content that will be relevant for a long time. These are 5 evergreen Cash Cow niches you can do. Book summary. Book summaries are very popular on YouTube. Not everyone particularly enjoys or has the time to read. These channels can introduce interesting books to these people. You can create an animation to go with the video as they listen to a summary of the book. Top 10 videos. These are videos that highlight the top 10 or best 10 of any subject. People love these kinds of videos because they help them make easy decisions out of numerous options available. People love these kind of videos because you help them make easy decisions out of the numerous options available. But you have to pay attention to your niche. You can't upload a top 10 potato recipe one day and then a top 10 luxury car the next day. Stick to one niche. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm in recent years. People interested in cryptocurrency are always looking to stay on top of the game and knowing what upcoming cryptocurrencies to look out for. And you don't have to show your face, as you can make animated videos explaining many things about crypto. Personal finance. There are a large number of cash cow type channels in the personal finance niche on YouTube. You can share tips and nuggets that can help them grow their finance. It could be pitfalls to avoid while growing their finances. These videos are easily created in a clip style or whiteboard style, and people will watch them. History. History is a huge niche on YouTube that gets millions of views every single day. This can include the history of the Earth or the greatest empires to exist over time. People want to know how a particular thing came to be or where a certain person or locality originated from. With this niche, you want to do proper research when writing your script. This will ensure that your content is clear and factual. How to start animation YouTube cash cow channel. So, you are now convinced that you want to start a cash cow YouTube channel. You've got your niche and some topics you want to cover. But now, how do you start your channel? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose your niche if you haven't done it. You need to choose a broad niche and a specific niche within it to start with. Let's say you want to go with a tech review channel. There are tons of other tech review channels out there. To stand out, you need to differentiate and reach a specific audience. You need to niche down. For example, you can review smartwatches for fitness enthusiasts. That way, you have a specific enough target audience, and you can start researching underserved topics for that specific audience. The next step is choosing a name for your channel. You should choose a name that can represent your broad niche instead of your sub-niche. Using the example from before, you shouldn't pick the name like Best Fitness Smartwatches or even Smartwatch Reviews. Leave room for future growth. Remember, you can start with a specific audience to gain traction. Once you grow and gather enough audience, you'd want to expand your content to more than one specific sub-niche. Maybe you start expanding with wireless earbud reviews, something that's still related to your initial videos, but in an entirely new sub-niche. From there, you can start expanding into other sub-niches while staying in the broad niche that is tech reviews. That's why you need to find a name that's in your broad niche. I understand finding a good name is not easy for some. That's why I like to use tools to help me with this. You can do a Google search for business name generator. There are two tools I like to use personally. They are Namelix and vidIQ. You can just enter your keywords or niche in the text box and click generate, and you'll get tons of options you can choose from. How to create videos to upload. Now that you set up your channel, the next step is to create videos to upload to your new channel. There are two ways to create these videos: create them yourself or pay someone else to do them. Of course, there are pros and cons to each method. The disadvantage to paying someone else to do it is obvious. You need to spend money first. However, if you have the budget for it, this is a great way to get things done. By outsourcing the video creation process, you can focus your time on researching topics and other parts of your business. It's also easier to scale your channel. Do you want to upload one video per day or even 2 videos per day? You can do it by hiring more people to create your videos. Of course, you need to spend more money on it. But if money is no problem, you can quickly scale your channel this way. So, where can you find people to create videos for you? You can go to sites like Fiverr and Upwork to find freelancers. Fiverr is a global marketplace where you can find freelancers from all over the world to do one-time projects for you. Although Fiverr offers subscription services for longer commitments, it mostly focuses on per-project jobs. Fiverr is a great place to find video editors if you're just starting out and still trying to find a style and tone that works for your channel. Instead of committing to work with one person, you can try out different freelancers and find one that best fits your vision. If you're looking for a more long-term working relationship, you can try Upwork. The platform focuses on building long-term relationships between freelancers and clients. While on Fiverr, you pay per project basis. On Upwork, you pay per hour. Which one is best for you will be up to you. You can try and browse both sites to compare and choose the one you're most comfortable with. However, if you're truly new to this YouTube thing, I suggest doing the video creation yourself, at least for the first few videos. Even if you have the budget to outsource the process, it's a great way to learn the video creation process and figure out what works and what doesn't work. You will have more control over the video quality, even when you decide to outsource the work later. You probably think that it will be hard to learn how to create and edit videos, but that's far from the truth. The advances in technology today make it easier than ever to create a faceless YouTube video. There are many video creation software you can choose from to create videos for your channel. To decide on which software to choose, first you need to decide the style of videos you want to create. There are three main types of videos you can create from a cash cow YouTube channel: slideshow animation with videos and image clips, whiteboard animation, and motion graphic animation videos. All types can work on YouTube depending on how you use them. The key is to make engaging and interesting content to keep viewers watching. If you want to create slideshow animation videos, I suggest InVideo. You can open it in your browser. Just type invideo.io and register to start creating videos. You can try it for free, but to truly unlock its full features, you can subscribe to their business plan for just $15 per month. It also has an AI tool that can automatically create a video with voiceover for you if you give it a script. This tool works best with list-type videos, like top 10 videos. Channels like Brightside and Economics Explained use this type of video. For explainer videos, you can use the whiteboard animation type. It's like watching someone explaining something while drawing things on the whiteboard. A great tool for doing this is Doodly. You can get it at doodly.com. It's a bit more expensive than InVideo, costing $20 per month, but you can create more engaging content for educational videos. This type of content is great for niches like personal finance and cryptocurrency. Channels like the RSA and Minute Physics use this type of animation. Motion graphic contents are great for educational and entertainment videos. You'll have animated cartoon characters acting out a scene according to the voiceover. My preferred tool for this is Toonly, which you can get at toonly.com. It costs the same as Doodly, costing $20 per month. Channels like TED and Crash Course use this type of content. It's easy to learn how to use these tools, and they provide a bunch of templates that you can readily use. They also provide thousands of assets that you can use in your videos. You don't need to learn how to draw characters or images. You don't need to shoot your own video clips to use. You can just search for them on these tools and use the readily available ones. Once your videos are ready, you can upload them to your channel. How to get views. Your job's not finished after you've uploaded the video to your channel. You need to get views to get paid. There are two ways to get views on YouTube: through SEO or search engine optimization, and through YouTube recommendations. SEO means someone searches for something on YouTube and finds your video. To get a lot of views through this method, you need to optimize your title and description so it contains keywords that a lot of people are searching for. There are external tools that can help with this. My preference is vidIQ. You can use it to search for keywords that a lot of people are searching for, but still have low competition, which means it's more likely for your videos to show up on top when people search for these keywords. However, the most powerful method to get views is through YouTube recommendations. To utilize this, you need to understand the YouTube algorithm. YouTube wants its viewers to keep watching videos on its platform. The way it achieves this is by recommending what it thinks as interesting and highly engaging videos to people that are more likely to watch them. So, how does it judge a video as interesting and highly engaging? It uses two metrics: click-through rate or CTR and watch time. Watch time is self-explanatory. If more audience watches your video from start to end without stopping in the middle, the higher YouTube values your video. This means you have to create content that your audience wants to keep watching until the end. Remember, a longer video does not equal longer watch time. If you make a video longer just for the sake of it, it can become boring and people might stop watching midway, which will hurt your channel. As for CTR, it measured how many people clicked on your video when it was shown to them. When you look through your YouTube homepage or when you're watching a video, you can see videos being recommended to you in the form of thumbnails and titles. You look through them and click on the one that you find interesting. If a video is shown to have 100 people and 4 people click on them, it means this video has a 4% CTR. The higher the CTR, YouTube will judge it as more interesting video. So, what contributes to more people clicking on your videos? It's the thumbnail and title. These two are the most important part you need to take note of when publishing a video. Look through other similar channels to you that are bigger. Look at their thumbnails and titles to get a sense of what your audience finds interesting. You can then use it to create your own thumbnails and titles. For example, a title like "Make $1,000 per month online doing this" is more interesting than "The online opportunity that can make you more money." Of course, the content on your video has to be able to back what's in your title, or people will stop watching midway if they realize that your title was clickbait. How to earn money. So, how do you earn money with a cash cow channel? The main income will be through YouTube Partner Program, where you earn ad revenue for your videos. The more people that watch your videos, the more you will earn. This is also a passive income because as long as your videos stay on the platform, they will keep earning you money as more and more people watch them. However, to qualify for this, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you keep uploading quality content and be consistent, you will reach this milestone within a few months. There are other ways to earn money with your videos, mainly through affiliate marketing and sponsorship. You can promote someone else's product, and when your audience buys them through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission with no added cost to your audience. Sometimes your audience will even get discounts through your affiliate links, or a company can sponsor you to mention or even use their product in your video. This will happen once you get more subscribers and watch hours. So, that's how to create your own cash cow YouTube automation channel. Click the like button and share if you find this video helpful. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you on another video.